Cover your ears, hide behind the door. After breakfast, she rocks in a chair. Not that long, she's sucking in air. She sleeps so well almost anywhere. She prefers her own rocking chair. My grandma snores like a dinosaur. Cover your ears, hide behind the door. After lunch, she heads to her chair. Not that long, she starts to stare. We stop playing cards, I play solitaire. She nods off quickly in a rocking chair. Grandma snores like a dinosaur. Cover your ears, hide behind the door. After supper, we all watch TV. Grandma in a chair and me on her knee. After a while, Grandma is asleep. Her puppy is nestled on her feet. After snacks, we're all off to bed. You won't believe what my Grandma said.
I know I won't sleep. I'm ready to play.
In just a few winks, she was snoring away. My Grandma snores like a dinosaur. Cover your ears, hide behind the door. I love my grandma, I just love her so. She tells me things that I want to know. It doesn't matter if she makes a bit of noise. It's her way to be one of the boys.